So when I moved to Hamilton 10 years ago, I was thinking it was just going to be a stepping stone somewhere I lived while I attended McMaster University. But here I am 10 years later and absolutely still loving living in Hamilton. And I can honestly say, I can't imagine living anywhere else. So I thought in this video here, I'd share with you the top 5 reasons why I continue to love living in Hamilton and why you might too. So the very first reason I absolutely love living in Hamilton and is the one I probably frequent the most on this list here, and that is the amazing food scene you're going to be finding in Hamilton. As outside of Toronto, I think Hamilton has the best food scene, and it's not even close. Because of the diverse population that Hamilton has, you can find so many local gems through so many different cuisines throughout the world. However, a couple of my personal favorites I'd have to recommend if you're going to be living in Hamilton. For pizza, you have Cowabunga, which just won the best cheese slice in the entire world at the Las Vegas Pizza Expo. But you also have My Pie for some amazing deep dish pizzas. You have Goldie's Fast Food and Hamburger, two great spots that offer amazing burgers and fantastic fries options, including the ranch fries you can get at Goldie's, to amazing tacos as you have the Latin. It's this little food stall right in the Hamilton Farmers Market. It's open about 5 days a week and offers fantastic tacos. But if you want a more sit-down restaurant, I would highly recommend the Mule for their unique tacos like the habanero brisket. But then for breakfast, if you're looking to find a bagel, grab something and go, the Old Bagel House. This is probably the spot I frequent the most when I'm in the area of Dundas, as these have the classic Montreal bagels. But then you also have a lot of different diners. One of my favorites is West End Diner that just offer friendly service and great prices. Two amazing spots for coffee and latte catch-ups with friends, from the Detour Cafe you'll find in downtown Dundas to the Copper Kettle Cafe in Waterdown that also has amazing fritters. And talking about donuts, as I'm a huge sucker for donuts, you're gonna find a lot of spots throughout Hamilton. Two of my other favorites would be Granddad's Donuts. These are the more classic donuts that you really can't get enough of, and in my opinion, they still carry my personal favorite donut, the Walnut Crunch, that you can't find anymore at Tim's. So if you love that one, go grab it there. But you can also find some unique ones at Donut Monster on Lock Street. And then as for breweries, you're gonna find a variety throughout Hamilton, but two of my personal favorites is number one, Collective Arts and Mel's Deli. So Mel's Deli just recently opened in Collective Arts, so you can grab a great craft beer, but then also an amazing deli sandwich. But then you also have Merritt Brewery right on James Street that again offers fantastic craft beers, but in my opinion offers the best sausage in all of Hamilton, a butter chicken sausage that's on a naan with mango chutney. It's something you definitely have to try. Now, if you're new here and want to learn everything about what it's like living in Hamilton from a local, my name is Matthew, the founding realtor of the Living in Hamilton team and channel, and for the past couple of years been helping people just like yourselves relocate here and buy a home. So if you're thinking about making the move, whether you're 60 days out or 6 months out, send me and my team a message today. Now, before we get to the second reason why I personally love living in Hamilton, make sure you keep on watching, as there's one of these here that really makes Hamilton so unique from your surrounding cities, and you're really not going to find anything like it. So keep on watching to learn what that is. But the second thing that I personally love about Hamilton, amazing green spaces and waterfalls it has to offer you. Now, in terms of waterfalls, three of my personal favorites is, first, you have Spencer's Gorge that is home to Webster's Falls, Two's Falls, and Dundas Peak. But then you also have a short hike to Tiffany Falls in Ancaster, or also the Smoky Hollow Falls in Waterdown. Now, like I mentioned, there's over 150 different waterfalls for you to explore. Now, in terms of parks, Hamilton is not lacking in this area too, as you have more than 500 different parks throughout the city of Hamilton, as well as 11 different conservation areas. Some of my personal favorite parks are the Confederation Park that has a great waterfront with lots to do, but two amazing things in it. One is Wild Waterworks, which is an amazing water park, but then you also have Adventure Village that offers batting cages, mini putt, and so much more. Then one of the parks that I frequent on a regular basis on my morning walks is Gage Park. Now, this park here is a little less exciting than having water slides or batting cages. It's more that traditional park, but it's truly beautiful. You have a great little fountain there. You have an amazing rose garden, a fantastic greenhouse, and it regularly hosts events and concerts. And if you want to learn more about the events and concerts in Hamilton, keep on fun watching. But then the last park I'll quickly mention is the Royal Botanical Gardens and Coots Paradise. So on the western north end of Hamilton, you're gonna find this park here that has a variety of different parks full of flowers, as well as different hiking trails that are completely preserved. And then one of my personal favorite pastimes that kind of ties into the green spaces that Hamilton has to offer you is the amazing golfing it has. As in total, you're gonna find more than 40 different golf courses to drive to, including Chadoke Golf Course, the Martin and Badeau, which in my opinion might be the most affordable green fee in all of Hamilton. But then you have the Hamilton Golf and Country Club. If you want a little bit more of a private course, here actually hosts occasionally the RBC Canadian Open. But then you also have Rock Chapel, a great 9-hole pitch and putt course to my favorite driving range in the Eagle Classic driving range that has covered tees, grass tees, and a fantastic chipping area. Now, the third reason why I absolutely love living in Hamilton and really just gives me that peace of mind when going about my day is the amazing healthcare. Now, my clients also really love this, especially if they have young kids, as Hamilton is home to McMaster Sick Kids Hospital, which is one of the best pediatric hospitals in the entire world and the second one best in Ontario, only behind the Toronto Sick Kids Hospital. But then you also have a lot of other award-winning hospitals throughout Hamilton, as you have Juravinski Hospital, you have the Hamilton General Hospital, you have St. Joseph Hospital, and a bunch more smaller clinics throughout the city of Hamilton. So no matter where you're living, you're always going to be just a short drive away from amazing medical care. Now, the next reason why I truly love living in Hamilton is because of the amazing variety of neighborhoods and homes you get. As when I was living in McMaster, I wanted to be close to McMaster, right? You want to be close to the student housing, and that was fun for a time. Now I want to be a bit further out, but still be walkable, but I like those heritage home buildings. So you can find a lot of those there in the downtown core. If you're looking for first-time home buyers, you can look on the mountain. You can find some fantastic deals there, more suburban vibe. Then if you want more of the upscale, you can find a variety in Ancaster. Same with if you want a small town, Binbrook, Mount Hope, Carlisle are all fantastic options. Pretty much anything that you're looking for to buy in Hamilton, you can find. So that's one of the reasons why I love it, is once I outgrow this area that I currently live in, I'll move to another area that better fits my lifestyle now. And that's what I'm seeing with a lot of my clients that are actually just living in Hamilton, but want to change the area or just get a bigger home in the same area. So if you want to learn more about what areas we would recommend for you and your family, send me and my team a message today. We'd love to learn a little bit more about what you're looking for to give you our personal recommendation. Now, one of the advantages that I also really love about living in Hamilton, compared to the surrounding cities, Hamilton is quite affordable when you look at the different costs of a detached home, but also tracks for townhomes and condos. So that's another fantastic options. Now, with that said, there's definitely some more expensive areas and some less expensive areas. So send me and my team a message today. But the fifth reason why I absolutely love living in Hamilton is the amazing events, festivals, and concerts that happen here. And I think this is something that a lot of people overlook when moving to Hamilton, as when I talk about Burlington and Hamilton, one of the things is they both have Rib Fest, right? But the difference is Hamilton has 5 different Rib Fests. They have an Ancaster Rib Fest. They have the Hamilton Mountain Rib Fest. They have the Waterdown Rib Fest. They have the Stony Creek Rib Fest. And as a result, you have a lot more events and concerts happening here on a regular basis for you and your family to go enjoy. As pretty much every weekend, there's at least 1 or if not 2 parks full, and then maybe 1 street closed down full of food trucks. So it's a fantastic opportunity. Now, a couple of my personal favorites are Art Crawl that happens every single year on James Street and has lots of great live music, local vendors, and food truck. But then you also have a bunch of different farmers markets, as similar to the Rib Fest, as you have the downtown farmers market that's open 5 days a week indoors, so it's open year around. But then in the warmer months, you're gonna find pretty much a farmers market open every single day of the week. You have one on Ottawa Street, one on Locke Street, that's just in downtown Hamilton. But then you also have one in Stony Creek, one in Winona, one on the Hamilton Mountain, one in Ancaster, one in Waterdown. You get my point. Pretty much every single day, you can easily find a farmer's market to go to. So I find that's a massive advantage, on top of Hamilton being the only city, other than like Toronto, if you're gonna go that far, but usually my clients wanna leave Toronto, where you still have those sports teams, the events, the concerts that happen here. As you have the Hamilton Tiger Cats that are part of the CFL and have regular home games, and you can find a ticket pretty cheap, and it's one of my favorite sporting events to go to. But then you also have the Forge FC, a local soccer team here, as well as soon to be coming back, the Hamilton Bulldogs, once the TD Coliseum has been done its renovation, as it's currently going under under a $290 million renovation, upgrading the complete interior with over 80% of it being rebuilt for a musical entertainer's dream. So because of this, I imagine a lot more concerts are going to be coming here soon as well. Now, those were my top 5 reasons why I absolutely love living in Hamilton. If you want to learn a little bit more about the different pros and cons of each of the neighborhoods of Hamilton, that's the next video I'd recommend you go check out. So you can find that video right here. Otherwise, I hope you have a great day.